internet. Welcome to another episode of Chai and Chill. And today we have with us my friend Bhakti Mota. Thank you so much for joining me on Chai and Chill. A little bit about Bhakti. She is a solo traveler. She is a photographer. And while the pandemic forced all of us to stay at home, she published a book. We very interestingly met over Twitter when we were both talking about our favorite show, Once Upon a Time. Welcome to Chai and Chill, Bhakti.
Thank
And
you. Thank you so much.
this is the bit that I do. This is the cup that is joining me. This is actually my dad's cup. I stole it.
Okay.
It says a gossip and a good cup. I have the perfect mix.
Nice. So I have this thing.
This is so nice. It's a cup? Seriously?
Yeah, it's a mug.
Oh, wow. Things people come up with, yeah.
Yeah. These things are very good when you want to gift someone something.
It is. So my first question to you is, what made you start exploring traveling on your own, like traveling alone?
So I love traveling since childhood. But my first solo trip was to meet my Twitter friends.
Oh,
So I visited Pune to meet two of my Twitter friends, and I realized I really like traveling solo. So after that, my proper solo trip was for JLF in Jaipur, Jaipur Literature Festival. That is. So that was awesome trip. After that, तो वो जैसे बोलते हैं ना चस्का लग गया.
so the trip to Pune to meet your Twitter friends, that was your very first solo trip without anybody else.
Yeah. Uh, in the sense कि वहाँ पे कोई relatives नहीं थे. Otherwise, I have been to Mumbai alone. बट वहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट मतलब इतने सारे रिलेटिव्स रहते हैं कि आई डोंट टेक इट एज अ सोलो ट्रिप नाउ.
Oh. So how much research goes into, when you go, now I know that you travel your own holidays and you go on trips alone. So do you do a lot of planning? Like do you plan the itinerary or do you just wing it?
आई रिसर्च अ लिटिल कि एज इन वहाँ पे क्या क्या जो मुझे करना है, मुझे जाना है एंड एवरीथिंग, बट आई डू नॉट हैव अ कंप्लीट लिखा हुआ कि ये दिन पे यही करना है तुम्हें, वो दिन पे वही करना है. नो, देर आर लाइक ये चीजें करनी है वहां पे पहुंचने के बाद, as and how the flow goes वैसे. So sometimes it happens like my last solo trip in Udaipur, I did not feel like doing anything one day, so the whole day I was in my room eating, watching television and like that. So even that is fine.
Nice. So how many years has it been since you started traveling alone? And what has been your most memorable trip till date?
So Pune was in 2013 and JLF was in 2015.
Oh
So
wow.
after JLF it has been like uh, nice. After JLF it has been every year at least one trip solo. Otherwise trips keep happening.
Now, along with being a oh, you didn't answer my question. Which one was the most
Yeah,
memorable trip?
my most memorable trip. Hmm. I think Udaipur last. Udaipur was really really good. It was uh, after a long time I was taking a solo trip, so it was really good. I realized, yeah, I love this thing that I can go alone. I can meet strangers. I because I normally just कहीं पे भी गए बैठ के गप्पे लगाना शुरू कर देती हूँ strangers के साथ. तो I'm very chill like that.
Now, along with traveling, you're also a very talented photographer. I've seen the pictures that you put up on Instagram. So, were these passions somehow interlinked with each other, the traveling and the photography?
Yeah, traveling started before. Before that मतलब फोटोग्राफी पसंद था ऑब्वियसली, बट वो डीएसएलआर लेके सीखना है वाला थिंग हैपेंड आफ्टर ट्रैवलिंग स्टार्टेड. बिकॉज आफ्टर ट्रैवलिंग स्टार्टेड आई रियलाइज कि मोबाइल से काम नहीं चल रहा है. देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आई वांट टू डू, बट द मोबाइल्स एट द टाइम 2013 एंड ऑल, मतलब वो नोकिया वाले फोन और वो छोटे होते थे, तो वो दे वर नॉट बीइंग एट पार टू व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू. तो देन फिर वो शुरू हुआ कि हाँ डीएसएलआर लेना है एंड ऑल. So after buying DSLR, my first trip was to Kolkata where I met you.
Yeah. Oh, yes, I
Yeah,
remember that.
yeah. Even that was so long ago, 2016, I think.
Yes, because I moved after that.
Yeah.
what is a dream destination for you to do a photo shoot in? Like anywhere in the world, not restricted to just India.
Like Bali is really beautiful. Uh, all like Rajasthan, to be frank, it's like second home. You can go there anytime. You can मतलब बिंदास freely घूमो. एंड इट्स सो कलरफुल कि कहीं पे भी तुम किसी को भी खड़ा कर दो, मतलब स्ट्रीट फोटोज इतनी अच्छी आती है, अगर तुम फोटो शूट करोगे तो अलग ही बात. इवन इन इंडिया आई थिंक राजस्थान इज द नंबर वन प्लेस फॉर टूरिज्म.
So abhi to we are in the middle of a pandemic and there is
Yeah.
no traveling for pleasure at all. Like I have
Yeah.
literally just come home and will go back again because it's needed. These are
Yeah.
the two homes that I have to shuttle between them. But once
Yeah.
things go back to normal, which we've been saying since 1 year,
Hmm.
what's on your list? Places to visit once everything ends and everything goes back to normal.
सो आई एम ब्लेस्ड इन अ वे कि ये साल एक ट्रिप कर ली मैंने.
Before
Last
spike went up again.
Yeah. So last month I visited Kashmir. 5 days of bliss, I should tell you. So right now I'm little bit content कि हाँ घर पे बैठना है. No issues, no worries. But I am hoping कि ये सारा कुछ हो जाए and I can go to Himachal. I really want to do a 1 month backpacking trip to Himachal and मतलब वहीं पे बस जाना है frankly मुझे, but जाना है.
So, I understand your passion for travel, and a lot of women, especially, they hesitate. कि अकेले कैसे
Yeah.
जाऊँ? What do I do? So, over the years, have you learned how to deal with it being a woman and traveling alone, especially in India?
I wouldn't say it's unsafe. I wouldn't say it's safe because there are places they are very safe. Like if you want to go, if it is your first solo trip, go to Rajasthan, no issues. कुछ नहीं होगा तुम्हें. But there are also places कि तुम मतलब group के साथ भी हो तो you will get harassed. Also, I also had one very bad solo trip का experience. So it's not like कि नहीं होता है. You have to be very careful. One thing is तुम्हारा गट क्या बोल रहा है उसको सुनो. अगर वो बोल रहा है कि नहीं दिस इज नॉट लुकिंग गुड, इट्स नॉट लुकिंग सेफ, सुनो, निकल जाओ वहां से. बिकॉज इट हैज हैपेंड इन मेनी टाइम्स कि तुमको लगता है कि नहीं यू आर फीलिंग दैट वे, बट नो इट इज देयर. सो यू हैव टू लिसन टू योर गट अलॉट. एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू बी लिटिल बिट कि हाँ कोई नहीं, स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ बात करो, लोकल्स के साथ बात करो. फ्रैंकली लोकल्स के साथ बात करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ दे नो, उनसे तुम बात करते कि तुम फ्रेंडली एंड ऑल, दे विल लुक आफ्टर यू. इट हैज हैपेंड अ लॉट कि पीपल हैव टेकन केयर ऑफ मी आफ्टर नोइंग कि अच्छा मैं अकेली हूँ. तो दे विल बी लाइक आप एक काम करो, यहाँ से मत जाना, आप वहाँ से जाओ या वॉट एवर, दे लुक आफ्टर यू. And if you're like completely traveling solo, it's always good to stay in the hostels, backpacking hostels. So you will meet some people over there, you will have a group or anything, and you can go with them also na.
Thank you. This is going to help somebody who wants to do traveling alone, perhaps once
Yeah.
the pandemic thing ends.
Yes.
Also, I'm very surprised you didn't list Goa as one of the places you have done solo trips in.
Goa is a place where you want to go with your friends, not solo trip.
Yeah,
Goa
it's
is not a place where you, because वहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, जो टूरिस्ट भी होते हैं मोस्टली दे आर लाइक इंटरनेशनल टूरिस्ट. सो वहाँ पे यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेक दैट मेनी फ्रेंड्स और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. ऑल्सो जो लोकल है उनके लिए इट इज लाइक हर रोज टूरिस्टों को देखते हैं यार, पक गए वो लोग. तो अगेन इट इज लाइक तुम वहाँ पे बैठ के तुम्हारे साथ कोई चिल करने नहीं वाला है. तो गोवा इट इज बेटर कि तुम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाओ, मतलब जिसकी बकेट लिस्ट में जो है वो सब करो, मजे करो, वापस आ जाओ. If you really want to go to a place जहाँ पे मतलब you can sit and talk and like that, so then definitely Rajasthan, then Himachal. Himachal is like the place if you want to have a soul trip, soul trip.
I will.
Then you have to go to Himachal. Yeah.
I actually haven't done solo trips per se because I have always been going to somebody who already, like you said, my friends always stay in those places, so it was me visiting
Okay.
them as opposed to me
Hmm.
going and exploring a new place. And
Hmm.
as far as I remember, I did a Rajasthan trip in 2015, but it was with my friends.
Okay. Hmm.
I have actually never, this is something on my bucket list. I really wanted to explore solo
Yes.
travel.
Every woman should take at least one solo trip. It is द एक्सपीरियंस वो जब तक तुम लोगे नहीं तब तक तुमको पता नहीं चलेगा कि क्यों हम बोल रहे हैं कि तुमको लेना चाहिए.
Hmm.
When you're only depending on yourself ना you learn so many things about yourself कि अरे ये मैं आसानी से ये चीज कर पा रही हूँ. All this time we didn't even know कि ये चीज हम आसानी से कर पाएंगे या नहीं. It's not just about like budgeting. It's not just about कि will you be able to talk to someone अपने शेल से बाहर आके कि यार मुझे यहाँ से जाना है, can I go this or that, मतलब एकदम strangers से बात करना हो या फिर making new friends. It's like everything comes into one package. You are completely thrown, मतलब ऐसे तुमको यूं उठाया और ऐसे फेंक दिया एक नई जगह पे. Now you're on your own. You cannot like call people. अगर तुम अटक गए हो तो you have to बी कि तुमको ही खुद को निकालना है, कोई और नहीं आएगा तुमको निकालने. तो ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टेकन वन ट्रिप, यू आर लाइक completely on some other level after that. Your confidence boost is like on some other level.
Yeah, I need to do
ये
that.
कर लिया तो कुछ भी कर लेंगे ऐसा हो जाता है then.
To your point of this, when you're on your own, I noticed this about myself. When I'm in Calcutta, I'm very bad with Calcutta roads. I can get lost. I've lived here all my life, but
Hmm.
I get lost very easily because मुझे पता है that I can call somebody and they'll save me.
Hmm.
But Bombay
Hmm.
roads, I remember very clearly because when I
Yeah.
go into Bombay, I know that nobody's coming to save me. I'm completely on my own. So Bombay
So
ka roads,
same.
it's very
Yeah,
clear in my
same
head.
thing. Same thing happens with me. I can get lost in Hyderabad. I remember Bombay ke roads. I remember Pune ke roads. I remember USA ke roads. यार, if somebody calls me from Austin and tell me कि जो मैकॉम्स यूनिवर्सिटी है वहां से यहाँ से कैसे जाना है, I can tell them यहाँ से लेफ्ट लो राइट लो.
हाँ,
But
because
यहाँ पे I
हाँ,
cannot.
because उधर पता है that nobody is going to come to save you. I
Yeah.
can't call anyone. इधर there is so many people I can call and say that hey, I'm lost. किधर जाऊँ अब?
Hmm. Hmm.
Even recently, I got lost trying to find a cafe in Calcutta, which never happens to me in Bombay.
या ऑल्सो नाउ मैप्स की वजह से थोड़ा सा इट्स लाइक बिकम अ लिटिल बिट ओके, कोई नहीं. वरना तो पहले जब मैप्स वगैरह कुछ नहीं थे तो तब तो यू हैव टू बी लाइक वेरी शार्पली नोटिस कि तुम किस रास्ते से जा रहे हो, तो यू रिमेम्बर कि इसी रास्ते से वापस आना है तुमको. नाउ इट हैज बीन लिटिल बिट चिल क्योंकि अब तो गूगल पे हर कोई जगह है, तो यू कैन जस्ट फीड दैट थिंग एंड तुमको उबर तुम्हारा लेके जाएगा या तुम इजीली किसी को पूछ के उसमें डाल के तुम पहुंच जाते हो. So like technology is very good if you take advantage of it.
Or if you know how to use it correctly. I know people who have used maps and have ended up in the wrong direction. It's a thing, I think, for iPhone, I think it recenters and it recenters to where you are standing, but Android, mein, you have to figure out which way it is pointing. So after you take a few steps, you realize ये पीछे बोल रहा है. I have to recenter my map. ये हुआ है हमारे साथ.
Okay.
So now, besides collecting memories in the form of pictures, are there any other quirky and cute ways you collect memories from your trips?
Yeah, I collect magnets. मेरा fridge का एक छोटा सा door is filled now with magnets from all the places. Other than that, अगर proper कोई अच्छी जगह है, if it is not a photography based trip, then I do little bit shopping also. जैसे कि last Kashmir trip was full on shopping. Kashmir is like so beautiful. At the same time, clothes and everything are also so beautiful. You are like, ये तो लेना है, ये तो लेना ही है, like that. But yeah, if I'm not buying anything, then one magnet, definitely.
I know when we came on the call, I told you that we'll be talking about you doing solo travel and we'll be talking about your interest in photography and capturing all the memories. But last year you decided to become an author as well and publish your book. So tell me a little bit
Yeah.
about that journey and tell me the name of the book so that I can link it down below.
Yeah. So my first book is called Adhuri Khwaishe. It's a book of poems. There are 20 poems in there, and poems are completely different from each other. They are poems consisting about talking about self-love, then talking about childhood memories, talking about heartbreak, talking about love, and many different things. So I do wanted to be a author since really, really, really long.
Hey,
So
congratulations.
that's why I think, yeah, thank you. So I started my journey in that way that I should end up over there. So I like started reading books, then I started reviewing books. So I know what all things happen and how things process. So after that, last year, it wasn't planned thing. It's just the way the year was going. I knew I'm not going to do anything in that year. Completely nothing is going to happen with my life in that year. So I thought, चलो तुमको कहीं बाहर जाना तो है नहीं, बैठो घर पे, लिखो. So that's how that whole thing came up कि चलो I will start writing poems and I will publish it. So that happened in matter of 2 months. Everything was like set up together, writing, editing and complete everything, and publish हो गई. And थोड़े लोगों ने पढ़ी लेकिन the response has been good, so I'm very happy.
Yeah. Also, I do remember this very interesting thing. You had done an Instagram poll for the cover of the book because you were using the pictures that the cover of the book is a picture you've taken, right?
Yeah. I had done one shoot also. तो मैंने 3-4 फोटोज खींचे थे एंड आई वाज लाइक कि लोगों से सजेशन लेती हूँ कि कौन सा बेटर रहेगा. एंड टिल देन आई आल्सो वेंट एंड सर्च इन माय होल फोटोज का बैंक आल्सो बिकॉज आई हैव लाइक सम 20-30,000 photos from all over the trips I take and everything. So in that I saw one photo which I was like, यार ये तो मतलब ये book के लिए ही मैंने 2 साल पहले खींच के आई थी ऐसा लग रहा है. So then there is this lady in that book, Anupriya Kapoor. So I went and I messaged her कि अरे I want to use this for my book. Should I do it? मतलब वो है उस book में तो I have to ask her. I
Yeah,
cannot
of
do it
course.
without her consent. तो then she's a very good person. She's like हाँ बिंदास यूज करो इसमें क्या है. तो then वो मतलब cover वो use हो गया and it was very good because I after reading that book, two three people have actually told me, now we can understand why you chose this cover for your book. उससे पहले everyone is like ऐसा cover क्यों choose किया है and all. But after reading all the poems, they can understand. Okay, your this whole thing is apt.
I'm so happy that the book got success, and I really hope the pandemic ends really soon so that you can go back on your trips and start taking more pictures and write the next book.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining me on Chai and Chill. It has been wonderful talking to you and seeing you in person after, I mean, seeing your
Yeah.
face rather after so long.
Same here. Thank you so much for having me. It's really, really a good experience.
Yeah.
And I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. मतलब ऐसे कोई बात कर ले बहुत है यार.